Hi, hello everybody. Welcome to Balgi's vlog. Today we are going to see the question rotate array. Rotate array is nothing but rotating the numbers. So we are gonna see that how we can rotate a number. Okay. So there are two types basically. There are left rotate and right rotate. Okay. So left rotate is nothing but we are going to, if normally it has 1 2 3 4 5, when we rotate it in the left side, the this one first one, the left corner is gonna be coming here to the last position. So this is called left rotate. Okay. So easily understandable, you keep it in mind as one is gonna come back. Okay, and 2 is gonna be the first positioned value. Okay, so here we are gonna do it through the Java code. So as usual, we know that we are going to start with the class rotate array. Okay, inside this class we have public static void main. You know, I think all of you know the syntax. So public static void main string args is gonna be written here. Okay, so we will enter into the main program. So main program start from here. So it is nothing but we are declaring an array here. So that array consists of 5 numbers. Okay, it's gonna be 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we are keeping this every time. We should declare an array consisting of all the elements or number, whatever. Okay, if it is integer, we are gonna keep it in the integer value, give the integer value. If it is a string, we are going to introduce the string here. So we are taking array here. So array always written in the flower bracket. Okay, so the next thing is we are going to store the first value. Why we are going to store the first value is we are going to change it. So storing is very important, so that it can't be changed. Okay, so first of all we should store it. Okay, so int first, we are going to store the a of 0. So what is a of 0? A of 0 is nothing but 1. So I guess everyone knows that this position is 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so nothing change in it, so index value differs. Okay, next int first a of 0. So we are entering into the for loop here. So for loop I equals 0, I lesser than add dot length minus 1. So why add dot length minus 1? We have element 5. So 5 minus 1 is gonna be 4. So add dot length minus 1 is gonna be 4. So we know that the index position starts from 0, so it will end in 4. So it condition as usual we have I plus plus. We'll go inside the loop now. So going inside the loop, so what happens here? So r of I equal to r of I plus 1. We are changing the values actually. So I என்ற இடத்துல என்ன இருக்குன்னு போய் பார்க்கணும். We should see the value here. Okay, so I is nothing but 0. Okay, so r of 0 equal to, so we are changing the first value here. Okay, r of 0 equal to I plus 1. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. So r of 0 is going to be r of 1. So what is r of 1? Array of 1 is 2. So 2 is going to be settled here. Okay, every time whenever the loop runs, 2 will be here, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 1 will be written. So this is the main concept here. Then we will close the for loop. Okay, after that we are going to keep this as array of r dot length minus 1. Okay, what does this mean? Array of r dot length, what is that? 5 minus 1 4. So array of 4 equal to first. What is this first one? Actually something has gone wrong here. So first this inner loop, actually the for loop will be completed. Okay, so now I will be blessed, so I will be 1. Okay, we know 1 lesser than 4, then we will be coming here. Okay, again, so r of 1, now r of 1 is going to be r of 1. Now r of 1 is going to be r of I plus 1. So I is now 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So in the second position we will be having 3. So now the index will be 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what happens if loop when integer value increases? It will become 2. Okay, so 2 value here, array will be 2. 2 equal to 2 plus 1, 3. So again this will be changed into 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Then it will be going through 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, after 4 this loop stops because I is lesser than 4. So this loop stops. Then it will be going here. So what happens here? So array of 4 is going to be the first. So what is first? First here earlier it is mentioned that a of 0. So a of 0 was 1. So the last fourth index value. So fourth index value is nothing but here. So last value will be stored as 1. Did you understand? It is a clear. I will explain for you once. Okay, so here the steps and all will not come. We all know that. So the program starts from here. Okay, every time we have to declare a class. Then we are going inside this integer. We are giving the array and we are setting some elements here 1 2 3 4 and the index value is 0 to 4. Then first we are storing the element first. So we are storing as a of 0. So a of 0 is nothing but 1. And we are entering into the loop. So loop condition is I equal to 0, I lesser than 4, then I plus plus. Okay, so inside the loop, when the loop runs, this it get into this. So array of I has the value of array of 0, which is equal to 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. So array of 0 equal to 1. So what is 0? 0th position is 1. So this value has this value. Okay, so first position will be 2, then 3, then okay, sorry, here it will be 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 first. Then again the loop runs for second time, it will become this, then it will become this, then at last it will be having 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. This is fourth step. Okay, after this the loop stops, then it will be going there, and the first position we have mentioned it earlier, a of 0. So a of 0 is nothing but 1. So the final output will be 2 3 4 5 1. This is how we should rotate left. Okay, rotate left. If we want to rotate right, it has the same concept, but it should be like this: 5 2 5 2 3 5 1 2 3 4. So this is rotate right. Okay, I hope you understood the topic, and see you in the next video. If you don't understand, please kindly repeat the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.